Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be talking about how to install the Cygwin on your Windows. What you're supposed to do is type the Cygwin download in the Google page. It will take you to the Cygwin official page. Here you will get the two installation. One is for the 64-bit, another one is for the 32-bit. If your system is 64-bit, then select the first one. If your system is 32-bit, then select the second one. Just to see how whether my system is 64-bit or 32-bit. My system is 64-bit, so I have already downloaded the 64-bit version of Cygwin. It's here. So I'll start the installation process. So double click on the exe and select the yes, then select next and select by default one. Then this is the default directory where it will be installed. Click next, then click next. Use the system proxy setting. Okay, click next. It's downloading from the mirror. This process takes some time. Okay, it came here, and select this mirror. Click yes. Okay, now it came here, and select the packages. What are the packages you want? Let's say I want the Perl, so I'll select the Perl. Here you can see the option, whichever the option you want. Let's say I want 5.30.3 version. Okay, I selected. This is the default. If I want this version, it's selected. Then I want Python. Which Python I want? I want 3.6. Here you can say 3.6.10. it's selected. Python, and even I want pip as well, and I want GDB 8.3.1. okay, then click next, then click next, then click again next. Now Python started downloading. It takes around 1 or 2 minutes of time. Once the Python is done, GDB installation will start. Now GCC got started installation. It takes couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes probably. So once it's done, I think GDB will start the installation. Now the setup is completed. You can see I'll use this Cygwin here, cdc colon, so it came to this one, ls. So you can use all the Linux related commands on the Cygwin. pwd, you can say ls-li. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.